Hello guys, this is Roy from Random Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And for today's video, I would like to do a motor oil test. So that including our Arena motor oil, and there's some other oil that I have heard the people in Taiwan they are using most of the time. We're gonna using all those motor oil and to do a small test. So let's start with today's video. Let's go. Okay, so here we're gonna do the same procedure to each of the motor oil test. So first we're gonna using electric contact cleaner or the lighter fluid to clean all the motors. So we're gonna put those in the motor, then we're gonna try to clean out everything inside of the motor, and then we're gonna apply the motor oil to the motor. Each of them do the same way, like the video I shows. I'm gonna twist it, everything is same to each of the motor oil. And after that we're gonna using this much more motor master and to do the test for all of them. And then during the time we're gonna do 20 seconds for each run. Then we're gonna take the maximum RPM and the average RPM for each of the motor oil. And for this test we're gonna using the 2019 the Hyper Dash Pro and to do the test for each of the motor. Okay, so let's start with the video. Let's go. Okay, so this is today's motor oil test video. For the video that we got, all the RPM number from the much more motor test is only for the reference only. It's just for people can see what's the difference between them, each motor oil, how it works. Okay, so this is today's video, and if you have any question, please leave a question comment at the bottom. I'll reply to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, you want to see more video like this, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.